Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. So, this is a response video to the Somali Tag Game video by Ami.
Yeah, the 5 questions.
The 5 question video.
Somalis has to do.
Yeah, so.
Thanks for the tag, Ami, by the way. Love you.
She has to tag us. We're Somalis.
I know, but still. It's kind of nice that she did it, you know?
Yeah. You're so sweet, Ami. So, I guess the first question.
Introduction. I'm
Fatima. Solanami here.
Fatima Hasina on Facebook.
So, I guess getting to the first question. When was the last time you were in Somalia? The last time I was in Somalia was when I was like 5 years old. I was born there, and like when I was a baby, I was actually taken away there and raised. I was raised in Kenya, but then I moved to America, went to Nashville, Tennessee, then Maine, then Portland, Oregon. You know, my mom loves moving. She actually did it big this time. One side of the country to the other side.
Like, straight across. Yeah.
Right. I don't know. I guess I'm just used to it, moving all the time. What about you, Fatima?
The last time I was in Somalia would be when I was 3. The war happened, so we fled to Kenya, and we lived in Mombasa until I was 5. And then my grandmother came, and she took me to Sweden. So yeah, she took me to Sweden. I grew up in Stockholm, and then I came here in 2000 when I was almost 14. Been here since then. You know, been to different states, but haven't been back there. But inshallah, my family is actually moving back to Kenya next month, and I'm gonna go visit for 5 months. And in that trip, inshallah, God willingly, I hope to go back to Somalia, any part of it. I don't care which part. Just to see our motherland again.
I'm gonna go there too, inshallah. One day I'll go too. Can't really plan it, but inshallah. So, the next question. Name one Somali dish you enjoy the most and why. Are you laughing because you know what I'm about to say?
Yeah.
My favorite dish is, I'm not sure if it's a Somali dish, but we eat it in our household. It sounds fancy too. It's called galamudo. For those who don't know what galamudo is, it's made out of flour. Hopefully you know it, because I don't know how to describe it. It's it's made out of bur, and then you kind of make it into like this whatever shape. I guess we choose to make it long or balled up, and then you put it in a marach, you know, with other little stuff and whatnot. And yeah, galamudo is good. I like galamudo. We make it during Ramadan sometimes. It's a rare dish too, so that's why
it's a rare dish to make. Not a rare dish, but it's a rare dish to make.
To make? Okay, they get it, Fatima, please.
No.
Correcting me, damn it. But anyways, galamud is my favorite dish, and the reason why I love it is because it's delicious. There's no other explanation to it. Anyways, yeah. What about you, Fatima?
Mine is the typical old bris. Very typical, I know, but I love bris. Always have. One of my favorites. Can never get tired of it. Of course, if you're Somali, you're bound to like bris. If you're actually any type of foreign, you're bound to like bris. But I just love bris, like any sort of meat, and of course the mos and the bisbas together. It's just delicious.
Ansalato.
Yeah, in that. So yeah.
We like malai too.
Oh, malai.
And
we just had that tonight, actually.
And we had chapati and malai malak.
So good.
I like malawah too, Ami. Especially when you're fasting.
Yeah.
Malawah and gahwa is delicious.
Alright, question number 3. Name one Somali household item that best resembles or represents our culture.
For me, it's a sali. We have a sali in every room, man.
Of course, in every Muslim house. Also unsi. I don't know, I've never been to a Somali house where there's no unsi.
Or batis.
Or batis, yes. Batis, like the females especially. I mean, I get it if it's a single man who lives by himself, you know.
And if he had a bati, whoa, that's kind of creepy.
No, I'm saying that's the only exception. But usually, any household that has a woman usually has a bati. They're the most comfortable things ever. Like, seriously.
And they're baggy. I feel like I have a lot of space in there.
The maker of bati.
Shout out to you.
Yes. Big shout out.
So, next question. 4. Question 4. Do you know how to speak in Somali If so, say a phrase or two. Yes.
Yes, we do speak in Somali. It's crappy.
Somali خطر way فاهمه. هذه هديك.
بس كبنت الحوش شيء
runta oo sheego ya maha
sheegaysa.
Soomaaliga ana waajay
بين الشيء الله كبخ okay
لا وقع maha أقبقه ya ana waajay Soomaaliga
ما لكن Somali قاعد هذا جعشة في Somali تسمع عنه كسي السما
هذه كسر ما شاء الله هلا
ما شاء الله ها
Soomaaliga saas waaye waa fiican yihiin marka aabay way fahmaan walaalayaashay way fahmaan family way fahmaan marka Soomaaliga okay waaye
Soomaalida oo Ingiriiska lagu soo dhaxdaro
ha saas hata maxaa lahaa ani Soomaaliga family way fahmaan markii dad marti imaadaan waxaas oo lidahay mahadsanid iyo no asxanto okay asxanto means thank you and I'll be like you're welcome. How do you say you're welcome by the way? I heard it before.
I know. Good question. Oh my god.
I think I remember. Adam Mudun, is that what it is?
I think I don't know.
That sounds kind of
Oh, we recently learned how to say please. We always everybody thought that please was wakubaria, but when you think about wakubaria, means I beg you. So fadlan is please. Not that people really use it. Every time somebody asks say please, we automatically say wakubaria. It's fadlan, and even sounds foreign coming out of my mouth.
So Fatima, if I want to say please, girl, fadlan, give it a anyways, yes.
Instead of saying داخل كبرية تلافوك إيسو دي محلها فضلا داخل تلافوك إيسو دي بابا.
واكنا هي. anyways, Somali وكسي هنا قطر معهن فاضل مستدولي هو سؤال كله لكن هلا هنواي هلا كبده محاربتين. قرح مو لكن.
ما يقرح معها.
برنو مالك استوى برنو يالله.
إن شاء الله.
هورتي أبي هي فوت قلوة Somali.
وأنا هذا تخف Somali كسنين. بحسم Somaliyaasha dhaxgal markaas isfacaan barana
ani meena deganaa Soomaali kasta meel kasta koona kasta Soomaali la joogi inay saaka phrase or two dhahal dhihi wax badan waxa sheegnay laakiin waa ka beelmaho khatarahayna
how was you welcome
you're welcome Adam Mudun
I was gonna say you're welcome that we spoke it but
Adam Mudun
whatever you get the part
do you like our Somali army yeah you like it don't you we've always speaked it with you so yeah. Okay, you should be used to it which part of Somalia are you from
that's
Fatima?
question number 5
Kismayo unlike Ami, well, actually, maybe like Ami, we were born by the beach. We're not really sure. We have to question our parents.
We do. We really do. Like, I realized that we never really ask our parents like
anything.
Okay, where and how and like what kind of house we lived in. We just like, oh yeah.
I mean, we're
quick to say we're born in Somalia, but somebody asked us something we wouldn't know.
I was born in Kismayo and got out of there quickly when I was a baby. I mean, the war was going down when I was born, so
it was going down.
So I kind of couldn't stay there, so I have no memory of it, unfortunately.
I do.
I don't have it.
I remember
that dream. Don't tell it, Fatima.
No, not the dream. I have quite a lot of memories from it, even though I was 3, which is kind of shocking. But
you stayed there at least 3 years,
and
right?
I thought it was dreams. Yeah, I thought it was dreams. Something that I just imagined. And then I used to tell my mom about it, and I asked her, and she's like, "No, those are like real things that happened." But I remember exactly the night that we also fled, to the beach, and we got on the ship and stuff like that. But I honestly remember, which I'm so shocked by.
I remember things about Kenya.
Well, I remember Kenya too.
I just don't remember things about Somalia because I was a baby, literally.
I remember.
But I don't know.
I do wonder how it would be if
we
the war didn't happen,
I bet I would have some bomb-ass Somali. Somalia, I know. Somali مالك سنوغ هذا النوع
ما أعرفت أذكر ما شيء صح
I know لكن ما خسرت مالي مركي يريني أمريكا like 20 سنة
أنا لو 20 سنة جوا لكن هاي دمبي هذا لاتني أفرج جرا ما خسنا يدمبي هذا
from Somalia
oh my god ها
ما عرفت الصومالي أنا فاهم الصومالي
لاتني كول سنة يدمبي
فاهمه الصومالي different ما عرفتي
ها هو هنوع
I don't know
اسمه خويل مني هنا اوكي
خويل
خويلها
اي كانن
maxaa ku keenay خويلka Soomaalida waa ka soo markasta خويl ka fikiraan dadkeena Soomaali
yahay barwaali ma kasaysiin farawa
anina ashrafa ahay hawartay ma jirteen like aabay ashraf yahay so wakas the video
why are you and also for people who have been here so long Fatima I think our Somali is pretty good and our
I would
the way we are
our viewers that please
I'm proud of myself
let us know
no viewers
no I'm not
Fatima, I love the way
Don't
I
shush
am.
me.
I just did.
Don't shush me.
Fatima, you can't.
Yes, I can. I told you not to shush me. That's the consequence.
Anyways, what is it called? I don't know, viewers, I don't know what you got. You have, if you know me that long, I guess, you know, you can comment. But if not,
I'm not saying.
I think personally, I'm pretty good culture-wise in Somali, because there's people, I swear to God, when I lived in Maine, there was a lot of Somalis. And there will be, like, people who've only been here, like, 2 years, or, like, a year maybe sometimes. And then they think just this everything.
No, I'm not saying, you know, our Somali is bad. I'm just saying.
I'm not talking about the language.
Them. Well, no, I was talking about the language. You didn't let me finish.
I'm talking about
you
the culture.
just shushed me. But okay. You want to get punched. Like, seriously, you want to get punched. No, I can never punch you.
You do.
Anyways, guys.
Right there, Fatima.
Like, playfully, I meant like... The punch that I was like imagining in my head was the kind of punch like I'm gonna knock you out kind of punch.
I get bruised easily.
It's not my fault.
And I'm a very clumsy person, so I hit everywhere.
She really does.
Sometimes I'll look at myself like, where did this
you
come
know
from?
what I realized? We're
getting sidetracked.
Yeah.
Anyways,
sorry guys. So
there's our video.
Yes. Hope you liked it.
Salam alaikum. Iya hawen wan accent suh wan accent iyo.
Long live Somalia, our motherland.
Yes. Are you wearing blue? Where's the white? On the wall.
Yes.
So our Somali colors. Anyways, love you guys, and hopefully other people make videos. I'm like, you know, Ami and Gus and whatnot. Bye.